afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Nice to have you here. How is the family?
All is not fine, I must be honest. We want to see the king. Can you please help us to tell him that we are waiting?
No, is there no problem?
My queen, we rather prefer the king to talk to us.
Very well then. I'll go and call him. Just make yourself comfortable. Do you need something to eat or drink? Anything? Alright. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
My king. It's me. He wishes to see you immediately. He's downstairs. But my king, he looks worried. I think something is wrong.
Let him wait. Hello. Do you want to see me?
Yes. The reason for coming here is because of Mr. Amade. He confided in me that the guards have seized his land and its compound. We are here to beg you. In any way he and his family might have wronged you, we are begging you. Forgive them and spare them. Please.
The next compound I'll see will be yours. Yes. For silent, stupid people to fight me. So it is you. It is you. Did you hear what your daughter did? Your daughter came to my palace. She had the guts to fight me. She pointed a gun at me. The king of this land, the mountain lion himself. And then she abducted my son. Did you hear it?
Igwe, please temper justice with mercy. Do not make me a destitute and thereby sleeping under shade. Please, Igwe, I beg of you.
Bring your daughter here. Submit your daughter to me. And your compound will be unsealed. Do it immediately. That's for you. Next time you try such nonsense, your position as Onowu of this land will be stripped off.
I'm sorry.
Leave my palace now. I said leave my palace now!
Amade? Eh?
Ichie, what is the matter? I never knew my daughter was right all this while. He's a devil in a human form.
Who are you talking about, Ichie?
King Ekwedike, of course. He stripped me of everything I have. My lands, my family, everything except my daughter.
Are you certain about what you are saying?
Do I have reason to lie? Do I?
I am sorry about what happened to you. But I assure you that the end of that wicked king is near. Take heart.
All is well.
Take heart, Ichie. Igwe Ekwedike.
Osilo Alpha. Any better? Okay, they come. Obi, rush go poetry. No, they come. They feel me. Okay. What's going on? Alpha?
I don't pass, Carl.
I don't understand.
See, as I talk to you like this, see that useless king, that tyrant, waiting say, now only I get power for this village. Say nobody fit do am anything. My sister, that one don't get to your family.
Na parable you dey speak, oh. What you dey? I don't understand.
Make I explain them to you.
Yes.
As I dey come back, I see your palace. You say the tyrant king don't collect everything wey belong to them. Seal off everywhere, even the farm. What's that they yarn you now? Like direct, like from the source. Your papa say the tyrant king don't seal off even the house, the compound where una dey live.
No, now. No, they never born the bastard wey go steal my papa property. They mad. What you dey cap like this?
I dey tell you as it be.
What you dey cap now? No, now. They never born the person wey go steal my papa property. Now for waiting. Wait, I dey come.
Take am easy, oh. Take am easy.
Thunder, fire all of una. Useless Igwe. Come force me go for my papa house, make I see. Make I see the person where go carry this my papa house take. Come and force me out. I thunder go fire you. If I don't buy person, my name no be Naza. Rubbish. Thunder fire you. God go punish your papa Igwe. Stupid Igwe, useless man. Go seal your papa house. Don't be my papa house, you go seal. Nonsense. You dey find you wan oppress. No, make I come see who go push me come up from my papa house. If I don't buy that person, my name no be Naza. In fact, I will stand for here. Make I see who will come out from my papa house. You useless people.
Naza?
Papa?
What have you done? Did you take off the seal?
Yes, so I remove him. Papa, see, make a clear, no dey panic. If you get me, no dey fear. Nobody go feel oppress you for where I dey and no go agree. That useless man cannot come and seal your house for waiting. I ain't get your house. Now by force? Which kind of oppression be that? I no go agree. If you try nonsense with me to God, I swear, Papa, I go buy person. Blood go flow. The body go surplus.
But this is not the right approach to this. It will put us into trouble.
Papa, I no dey fear anybody. I no dey look Uche face. Papa, anybody when he dig pit for Naza go fall inside. Finish your house. That Igwe will not collect it. Go inside. Ekwedike! Ekwedike! Your blood, eh? It go touch ground. And go touch you. Nonsense. Useless Igwe. Is it by force to collect people's property? Is this not silly? Ekwedike, now go punish you. Now go punish you. Go punish yourself. Can you come and see my father's land? For what?
We have sealed the land officer. Now we expected to evacuate the premises before tomorrow sunset. Please, people, tell them people I have to come. The moment they see that much, go to me. Is that clear? Yes, my king.
You and the other guard left this palace to see the royal seal. Am I right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Whose plot really sent you guys to go and seal?
He asked us to sail the land and compound of that poultry woman's father.
The same crazy poultry woman?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Naza, why are you waging war against a powerful man in this kingdom? Do you think Ekwedike is an ordinary man you can toy with? No, you are wrong. You are even ignorant of how wicked and fierce that man can be. See, everyone in this kingdom is afraid of him. And none can even stand against his way except you. Naza, do you want to kill me before my time? What do you have to fight against him?
Papa, waiting, sef, una no dey tire. Only one man won't cripple the entire kingdom. Una open eye, they look the man. If they do and undo, nobody feel stop him, nobody feel challenge him. Is this leadership? Is this how to rule the people? Is he practicing democracy? No, he's not. This is autocratic system of leadership and I will not take it. This man is an oppressor. He is oppressing the people. I'm not going to sit down and look at him. One thing I hate in my life is when you oppress people. Nobody can oppress me. Nobody can oppress the people. I hate oppressors. And I will fight that Igwe. Yeah, you see that Igwe? I will fight him with the last drop of my blood. Because this is slavery. If we don't stop him now, anybody that will take over from him will continue from where he stopped. The person go worst past the Igwe and I no go take him. I no go agree. We go take him. We go shook leg for one trouser. It don't be you.
Must it be you? Naza, must it be you? Why are you staking your life, making yourself a sacrificial lamb for this kingdom?
Who else it could be? No, who else? But no, they stress yourself. As we speak, the battle line has been drawn. Let the best win. All of you challenge him. Not only me they challenge him. It has to be me. Let the most powerful win. Oh, sure. Papa, he go cry. He go cry. You go hear this course.
Hey! Super girl, man. No problem. Come and get for please.
Why are you so stubborn? What points are you trying to prove? Why do you choose fear over respect from your people? A king who does not have love for his people, what kind of king does that make you? Ekwedike, I'm still talking to you and you're walking away. Listen, I'm your wife and I must tell you the truth. If others are afraid of you, I'm not. Change your ways, Ekwedike.
Talking to me, are you mad? Shut up! In my presence now.
The crown that's made to protect is now killing.
The royal seal is not also here.
This must be the crazy handwork of that woman. We have to go in and confront she and her father.
Abomination! Would they remove the seal that was mounted on this gate? Who is that person that is not a friend of King Ekwedike? Come out! Who is there? Come out! Come out now!
Hey, what the? What did they do for you? Why not they make noise for this place? What did they stop? What did they occur? They ask you, they look me. What did they happen? Why are you making noise in my house?
Who removed the seal that was placed on your gate and your farmland?
Okay. So you know say na my gate and na my farmland. Now una no fear, una put seal for that place. If I say bomb dey una head, wait till they come. What be the seal be this? Is this not the seal? Na me comot am.
The king should find out what you've done. You'll be more trouble.
The king. I like to hear that kind of thing. You know what thing go sup, eh? You go call your king. If he get mind, if he get morale, make he put the seal again. I won't check something. He go cry. He might go day. Make he come put the seal by himself.
You'll be punished for this.
If you get mouth to talk. I said go and call your king for me. Tell him to come and put the seal on the gate himself. They look me. I said go and call your king for me, they mad.
Where is she?
On our way there, we noticed the seal was no longer on the gate. And she had access to the house. So as we tried to drag her to the palace, she almost fought us.
She almost fought you?
Yes, Your Highness.
That means you saw her with your eyes?
Yes, Your Highness.
And what did I tell you? What was my order? I gave an order. I said, the moment you see that lady, you bring her here, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
So what did you do?
Yes, we are sorry, Your Highness.
You're sorry. And you have a gun. You couldn't shoot her?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
What kind of people am I? Let me see you return here without that woman. I will have your head for breakfast.
The king is mad. The king is mad. The king is crazy.
You see what I'm talking about? That idiot is trying so hard to make the king look stupid and weak before his people. Had the guards to pull off the royal seal, the king ordered the guards to mount on a gate. What is all this? No, tell me, what is all this? I've told the king to release that young man for peace to reign.
Not be small waka you waka. A very bold one. And as you don't pinch Ekwedike, he will come after you with everything he has.
I know. My mind did there. As it be like this, if you get 1 or 2 places where I want waka enter, I go protect myself.
Very good.
Yes, so.
Very, very, very good. Because as I'm talking to you, your life is at stake. Even your father's life is at stake. You people need to find somewhere you can go and lay low for now. Until everything calms down.
You're right. That's the best thing to do.
Gods of our land, Chukwa Bioma, I believe you are seeing all this evil besieging my family. I've engaged a lot of strategies to bring my child out of tragedies, but unto no avail. I implore you, guide and protect her. If not, at least for the sake of this kingdom, do this.
Papa, I would like me to come out from this house. Let's go to somewhere safe so I can plan. Because I know say as I dey plan my next move, that useless Igwe dey plan his own too. He get plans, me I know.
Naza, where do you want us to run to? The same house you were protecting from being taken by the king is the same house you want us to run away from. This is why I never wanted you to engage in a fight with that ruthless and evil king.
Papa, he who fights and run lives to fight another day. Now the way forward and the reason like this, I just need a place where I could just bash. I just need you to be in a safe place so I can be able to attack that Igwe. I need to deal with that man. Because I know say that man, hey, the man mind can never rest. He must come and look for us. So I need us to move from this place. And the way forward and the reason like this, I just need where my head go there calm so I can be able to reason what I will do to that man. They feel me?
Okay. Where do you want us to run to?
Well, as for me, I can go to Austin's house, my friend. But you suppose get 1 or 2 relatives when you go hide for their house until everything is sorted out. Suppose get relatives. I be how you see them.
Have I ever told you that I have a relation? I don't have. This is why I don't engage in troubles, because none will come for my rescue. I am not going anywhere. If the king wants, let him come here and kill me. I'm not going anywhere.
You open eye and you raise voice, talk am. May God bear me witness, say me advise you. I don't talk my own. Anyway, since you say you go stay, I will not force you. This gate, please, always lock the gate, because I know say that Igwe will come to this house. I know say go find us come. Always lock all the doors apart. No come out from house, so. And if anything happen like this, Pankam, put call, I go represent. Yeah? You say you want to stay. Okay.
Who is there? Who opened my gates? Your Highness. is when you entered into my house through the back door. Hope all is well.
My house, not yours. This is what you get when your wretched daughter tries to wage war against the mountain lion. Seize him.
My life, do not kill me. Do not kill me. Your Highness, do not kill me. Please spare my life.
His hands.
Oh, spare my life.
Please, don't kill me. Don't kill me. The walking stick.
The ground that's made to protect is now.
Naza! Naza! Naza!
Papa, what are you doing here?
Go home. There is trouble.
Which trouble?
I said go home. Go home. Go home.
Papa! Hey. Obina, where you go since?
I did poultry. I go put water, put flagyl for the fowl then.
Just to put flagyl for their water. Now you waste all the time for there. This boy.
Nah, it's not.
Drop the fowl, make you roam. Says you hold him.
Which one?
Drop am for ground, so you tie your leg.
This one. Each one get malaria. Man, go just settle at once.
Leave me. See what you go do for me. Run, go ask, go check whether my papa okay.
May I first spoon.
Go meet my papa fast. It's urgent. She can't dream be this.
Bima! Pima! 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 Papa? Papa? Papa, no vex say I know too much. I don't want to disturb your sleep. Make I go tell her say you dey sleep.
What happened? Waiting. Why you run like this?
Matter dey ground right now.
Which matter?
Herdsmen enter this community, come run matter.
Eh?
And they tell you, I need go track them. Right now, boys they wait for me. How far now? You go come with me?
I for like come, but I sent Obin and me go check on my papa.
Anyway, something. You go collect. You go flush them out. I go leave you here.
Oh, well, now I go join you later. Make I don't come.
You know, boy. Waka.
You see my papa?
He dey crash. Pima dey crash.
You sure?
He dey sleep when I enter. No one just disturb him sleep.
He's fine. Nothing is wrong with him.
You know, it's normal. They relax.
So what you talk now?
Where they go now?
Where they go?
Go where? Go where we dey go? Oh yeah, now I use this one test sanitize. Jamina.
I see them when they pass this way. I tell you, they merchandise this way.
Wait, you see them?
I go lie for you. I say I see them. I Facebook them with my crow eyes. They from this place to Ama. See, I know say these people no get ododo. Our moral starch pass.
Can wala be this? We don't have what this useless king they do us. This headsman won't add to our own. Give me that color. They mad. Yeah. They mad.
Please, man, yeah, they follow.
Where side they follow? What happened?
What happened?
Who's talking?
Husband, don't keep my husband for me.
Madam, where are they?
Where they pass?
They follow this way.
Madam, they go out.
I want to back anymore.
Where we there? Where we there? With the mad.
Madam.
Follow this place. Go this way. The mat. How far?
No, sir.
How far?
No.
I don't check everywhere. I don't see anybody. I don't check bush check. I don't see any headsmen. Where they?
They are very lucky. Because I swear to God, if say we catch them for this cabal, they for collect for our hand. Next time, they no go ever cross this community again.
Which kind of wahala be this? But this will not out of my anger this hot afternoon. No. Which kind of rubbish be this?
See, my mind they tell me say these people carry antenna they waka. My inner chest no fit fail me. Obayawa, who see the search at the ODS?
Make we search.
No, go back.
Who they go?
ODS.
They go collect you to catch them. No. Papa.
They go anywhere. I don't be Naza with that. What's they happen now?
Naza, talk to us now. Where your pale dey?
Naza, talk to us now. Be your guys now. Follow us talk. Wait, even they cry. What did they sob?
Ekwedike have done it. Ekwedike has done it again.
That bastard. Naza,
I believe me.
I don't say body they pepper you, but you need to use your head.
I know what is my head again, what is my color. The man where I buy my papa still they breathe. So wrong now. Maybe they look me less. Let's see, buy my papa now, man leave him. You don't pee for a mo. Man clear una. My papa body no go enter ground until everybody know what that evil man do. Organize the youth. We get rally. Ekwedike! 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 I think you don't carry body, you come chop am. When the useless Igwe come and eat his body, the one where you dey find, you go see him today. I don't carry work come. Ekwedike! If I not open this gate, I go fall the gate. I know well, when I go ask question. You don't kill my papa, Abi, you go chop me body today. I go fall this gate. If they not open it, I go fall am. Why the useless king? You see when you dey find, you go see him.
Jesus Christ. My king. My king. My king. My king, some people are shooting outside. What is happening? Are we under an attack?
We cannot be under any attack. Anybody who attacks us will not go scot-free. Anybody who attacks us will die today. I'll bury all of them alive. Leave them to shoot. Let them be having their fun out there. It's not your business. Leave them.
What do they want? Who are they?
If you are bothered, you can go and find out.
The king is mad, Abwanyemba sindu na sayusa. The king is mad, the king is crazy,
God! Hey! God!
Who are those people shouting?
Your Majesty is Naza, the poultry woman, and her friends.
Naza? Has he gotten to that extent?
Yes, Your Majesty. She came with the corpse of her late father.
Corpse of her late father? Her father died?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It's not in my place to discuss such sensitive matter. I beg you take my leave.
I'm praying deep inside that the presumption I have is not true. The same poultry woman is here with some youth creating a scene. And she brought the corpse of her late father. Why would she do that? My king, do you know anything about the death of her father? Answer me, Ekwedike.
Man, I am sick and tired of your nonsense. Who are you questioning? Are you mad? Go down on your knees, my friend.
Sorry.
Whose side are you on?
I'm sorry, please. Don't shoot, I'm sorry.
At this point, you have to choose.
Yes, sorry.
My friend, I'm still talking. Shut up. At this point, you have to choose. Tell me whose side you're on. Are you with me or against my friend? Shut up. Are you with me or against me?
No, I'm not against you.
With me?
Yes, I'm with you.
You shut up. If you're with me, you shut up. Stop questioning me and be with me.
Please. Mama, I don't think I will continue to stay in that house. I just want to run away from him with my son.
Ola, don't even say that one. Don't even go there. Judging from how beastly your husband is, you want to put your life and the life of every member of this family at risk.
Mama, I can't stand this anymore. I can't stand it.
Ekwedike is a murderer. He killed an innocent man over his own property. Mama, I can't continue with him. Ekwedike is a thorn on everyone's flesh. I've been hearing his news. I knew this from the start, but you wouldn't listen. I warned you. All we have to do now is to pray for his change. Don't even think about running to anywhere. Because I know him. He will find you and hurt you. Not only you, he will also hurt me and everything that is connected to you. Biko, I beg you, before you make any hasty decision, Biko, think it through.
Mama, you and I know that Ekwedike can never change. He doesn't listen to anyone. I don't continue to stay in the same house with a murderer. No, I have to leave. My son is very important to me.
Everyone is important, including me too, and every member of our family. Biko, Ola, you have to just take your time and think, so that you don't put us in trouble, Biko. What kind of problem is this? Chukwu Abiyama.
See, I am going to run away from this palace this night. I can't come and die for nothing. No.
See, I don't even understand. Where are you running to and why?
What kind of question is that? Are you blind? Are you not seeing what is going on in this kingdom? See, okay, what if the youth and Naza strikes? Who do you think is going to be the scapegoat? Me. I cannot die for anybody.
My friend, what did you sign up for before you took this job? Our work is to protect the crown bearer. And we must do it by all costs, dead or alive. That is our job.
Yes, yeah. You see, this crown bearer is not worth it. I cannot sacrifice myself for this crown bearer or what. So,
see, don't say I did not warn you. You know who our king is. If you should hear about it, you'll be charged for treason. Because I don't want to die. Our work is to protect the crown bearer. I've told you.
If you want to die. If you want to die, die. I'm not.
Welcome, daughter of late King Iken. I knew you were coming, even before you summoned to come.
Wise one, it's like you are mistaking my identity. I am Naza, daughter of late Amadi, not daughter of late Igwe Ikena.
What you don't know is bigger than you. Amadi was never your father. Late Igwe Ikena was your father.
Late Igwe Ikena? Who be that?
The last two crown bearer of your kingdom. Look into the hearts of truth.
Are you okay? I've been meaning to ask. What really happened?
My husband was killed in cold blood by his younger brother, Ekwedike.
What? The Igwe is dead?
He was killed in his sleep. I saw him. But I have to run off before he could see me and kill me too.
This is preposterous. The Igwe is dead. I'm so sorry. What? Are you okay?
The baby's...
The baby's coming. What do I do?
You have to help me.
Who is there? Anybody there? Hey! Listen. Is anybody there? Somebody help! Somebody help! Your Majesty. Are you okay? Do you need something?
Amadi,
Yes, Your Majesty.
please protect my child.
Of course I will. And you too, you'll be alive to take care of her. Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Are you okay? Your Majesty! Your Majesty, no! Sorry. Come. Stop crying, okay? Sorry. I have never had a child before. I know the journey will not be a smooth one, but I'm willing to accept it wholeheartedly. I shall take care of you as my own. I shall protect you. I shall preserve you and ensure that you lack nothing. Oh gods of our land, I pray that you give me the enablement and the resources to take care of this special child. Give me the willpower to ensure that she lacks nothing. And protect her from anyone who wishes to harm her. And on this course, I vow today by the gods that I shall remain a celibate. I shall have no wife and no children of my own, so as to have enough time to take care of this child and ensure she fulfills her mandate, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. Worry, it's well. The ghost is on our side. So help me, gods of our land. Don't worry, okay? I shall take care of you.
Your father was murdered by his own brother, Ekwedike. He then took over the throne. Your mother was saved by the Hode's palace guards. When your uncle passed on, his son, Ekwedike, took over the throne. You are a royal blood.
Ekwedike was never meant to be king. The crown belongs to you, Chinaza.
Wait, so this man they misuse power when not be his own. Wise one, show me the way I go take cripple this man. I need to cripple him. Show me the way, Biko.
Royal blood for royal blood. That is the only way.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Nice to have you here. How is the family?
All is not fine, I must be honest. We want to see the king. Can you please help us to tell him that we are waiting?
No, is there no problem?
My queen, we rather prefer the king to talk to us.
Very well then. I'll go and call him. Just make yourself